Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones Wall Street 30 day trade setups for today. So we had a pretty solid day yesterday, and you can see we had so far this week we've had we had one down, but then we've had three really strong upward bars. We have broken through some structure as well, and I think the big bit of structure that I'm watching at the moment here is this flag. So we have got sideways levels, and then we've got these diagonals at the moment. Look at my oscillators. They have pulled back. They have started to cross over on the 8 hour. That is an indication we're coming back up. This was a strong move. It's consolidated. The bulls are still very much in control here. I also have a double bottom here. Bottom, and there is my neckline right up there. So if we start moving down to the different time frames, you'll see a little bit more structure here. You can see there's my double bottom, there's a low, lower low, and if you look at the oscillators, there's no diversions. Okay, it is creating, except I suppose there was diversions between those two there, but these two sections, nothing. We are now sort of testing these previous highs right now. So I would be looking for longs now. Been sitting on the side too long, or most of last week, been sitting on the side on the Dow. But what I'm seeing at the moment, it is starting to set up quite nicely for some decent moves. Okay, so first one is we have this flag. Okay, it's a range in a bull trend. And there's a range, and then there's this channel in a bull trend. We've broken the range here, and we've tested it last night, or closed on it last night, and we tested it again this morning. So that's one level that I'll be paying attention to, 31.548. And then the other level that I am probably more interested in is a break above this area here of 31.637. So break and retest of 31.637 also gets me long. Now, first target is pretty much going to be the heights of the range. So let's just do this. Let's go like that and move that to the upside. So there's my first target up there, and that's gonna, oh, look at that, 31.999. In other words, 32,000. That's what we're looking for. So that is our target, 32,000. That is a fairly decent move, actually. That's a good 350 points that we're looking at. That's kind of the structure I'm seeing. So now, if you just have a look at what's happening in the US at the moment, so we obviously have the stimulus debacle that's still going on. But on the other side of the coin, we've got this attack on tech stocks at the moment. So, the US lawmakers are suddenly now trying to figure out what Facebook and Google is all about. And I think they are so late in the game that it's not even funny. But anyway, so that's kind of where the fear is at the moment, is how these social media giants have the ability to spread disinformation. They also have the ability, which is probably more important, is collecting private data and actually using it in weird and wonderful ways. But the reality is they've been doing it for years, decades actually. So to try and jump on in front of the train now is probably not going to work. But anyway, that's a different discussion for a different day. So the Nasdaq has been under pressure. It was under pressure again yesterday, but I still think what you're going to find is the bulls are going to start coming in to start buying, and they're going to drive this. They're going to drive this thing higher, and that's pretty much what we need to pay attention to. So this was a fairly decent move up, pullback, top of range at the moment. Looking for a break, retest, and that's what we're looking for, 3,200. So that's my view on this today, I think, and this is probably looking a lot better than the S&P 500, but we'll get to that video now. So yeah, that's me for today. And lastly, probably remember, just do this on the 15-minute. You can see nice solid move, nice little bit of consolidation here. All the moving averages have now crossed over, pointing to the upside. So we're looking for a decent area to enter this and move to the upside. And there's lots. There's one right here where we are at 31,600, pullback, retest, bounce off there, or the one that I'm really more interested in is a break of 31,637. Break, retest of that gives us a nice solid move, bit of a flag, breaks the upside, then you've got this measured move as your first target as well. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.